just another structural beam to the deck. I noticed when I was up there, when you step on one board, since it's anchored on both sides, like one will kind of go down a little bit, but the one above it doesn't, unless you're touching both. So I figure if I run one more connection down the center, that should help with a little bit of that waviness as you're walking on it or moving around on it. So I'm going to go ahead and throw that up there next. I'll put it in time lapse so you can see me even use the new ladder to get up there. So enjoy. Okay, so that seems to have done it. It feels a lot better just walking on it. You can kind of see too, put a couple screws in each one, so as you're stepping on the boards, they're not sinking in at all anymore. They're kind of tying to the one next to it. So, pretty cool. Sweet look around the neighborhood up here. But yeah, kind of on top of the world up here for sure. Got the deck, yoga pad, whatever you want to call it. It's good to go. And I'm pretty stoked for this thing to get used.